Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about US dollar index since, let me show you the charts a few months back, and then from there on until today, I'll show you what happened. So this is the chart I made. This is a weekly chart, US dollar index weekly chart. And I said that this is the Elliott wave. It dropped here, and this could be wave A or 1, and it will go up for wave 2 or B. And there was a chart that I made without this, but it went up, not touching this area, 61%, and then it came down. So then I made the chart. This is on the, well, let me see if I have the big chart before that. No, this is the oldest one. Okay. I have the charts, but I don't have it right now. So A, B, and it's supposed to go up for wave C. So what, this is the 8th, May 8th, I made this chart. What happened to this chart? On the 10th, it came down here, and then I made the chart that from here, it's going to go up, right? And if it start to go up, what will happen? These three pairs, USD is involved in 7 Forex pairs, right? These are the 4 of these where the USD is on the right-hand side. 3 of these pairs have USD on the left-hand side. So what happened when USD gets strong? These 4 pairs will go down. These 3 pairs should go up, right? So now, see, this is on the 10th, and today is 12th. So what happened to this chart is this. We ended up like this on Friday, today, on the 12th. Powerfully going to the upside, very, very bullish, powerful candle. That is telling me that we are about to go up a lot more than what we are, where we are now, right? So now the effect of this is what? These 4 pairs will go down and these 3 pairs will go up. So what did I do with that? Euro, so pound USD and Euro USD. Look, on the 11th, pound USD down. I opened the trade here using my system, my Creative IB system. And look how precise is the entry. This is the entry after the setup, and the price never touched my SL. The second trade you can see here is USD CAD. It's supposed to go up, USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen. And this is a long entry here for 80 pip. And here, this also supposed to go down, Euro USD, and it is for 85 pip, beautiful entry, and all the way to the downside. Now, other pairs, they also went exact the same way. Let me show you, but I didn't get my system entry, so I didn't make the entry. Let me see if I can show you here. Those 4 pairs to go down or those 3 pairs to go up. So starting from Euro USD, look what happened after the 10th, May 10th, 1600 hour, where there was a news, CPI news, right? And after that, since then, USD is, Euro USD dropped, right? It's supposed to drop because USD is getting strong. Pound USD, since then, this, Aussie USD, May 10th, 1600 hour, look at what happened. Aussie USD dropped big time. USD yen, it first went down because yen was also getting strong. So, and then after that, USD took over and it went up. USD CAD from May 10, 1600 hour, look what happened. And USD franc also it went up, came down, but finally ended up going to the upside. So this is how you use the index. And, that's the benefit of using the index, that if index is moving and you catch the direction, you literally catch 7 possible trades and you have a multiple choice now. Okay. Which one? So like I said, that I took Euro USD, Pound USD to the downside and USD CAD to the upside. In other pairs, I didn't get my entry, so I didn't bother. Right? Because, I'm not going to open the trade without my setup. So this is how USD is moving to the upside now. More to come next week. It's going to go up. My final target is 1753. So let's go. Let's see that, how far we go. It's not going to be happening in a week or two. It's going to take time because this 1 week candle is this. And you see this, each candle is 1 week because it's a weekly chart. So probably we're talking about 6, 7, 8 weeks before we get to this area. Okay. So be ready, be on the, look for this upside movement. and possible trades in these 7 pairs. These will go down, these will go up, a lot more to come. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, that if you want to get the system, and by the way, let me show you, when USD is going up in the weekly chart, it doesn't tell you much, but if you go on a shorter time frame, like my 20-minute chart, you can clearly see that it was bearish here, and then all of a sudden on the 10th, this is actually the 11th, the next day, May 11th, 400 hour, and it went above this wave and became bullish and gave me a long setup. Now this long setup is telling me that this thing is going to go up, means USD going to get strong. And this is like a confirmation of my analysis. I have the analysis on a weekly chart, and this gives me the confirmation that yes, I am going to the upside, USD telling me. And once you know that, then you look for your entries. And that's how I got these 3 trades, just based on this within 2 days, right? This one is for what? 90 pip. And this is 80 pip, USD CAD, and Euro USD, 85 pip. Okay. So if you're interested, you like the system, you want to get a hold of it, then go on my website. Here is creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And if you are in need of learning from the scratch, and if you want to learn everything Forex has to offer and master this business, then I would suggest that go on my website and sign up for a one-on-one course. That will be like a 10-hour course teaching me personally over the Zoom one-on-one, and I'll teach you every single thing Forex has to offer. All right, and then this is strategy. You get this strategy, you will be a member to my group, my system, my group for a whole 1 year, as well as you will be a part of my Telegram group. Okay, so that is a win-win situation. And don't wait, don't waste any more time. If you are profitable, keep doing what you are doing. But if you are not profitable, then I would suggest that take action and start trading like this. All right, I have like 12 other trades, basically all, I just showed you 3 here which involve USD, but overall I have 12 trades. I will make that video as a weekly recap later on. All right, so this is it for now for US dollar index, and I will make a new video probably. I will wait over the weekend, and then I'll make maybe like Monday or Tuesday, just to catch up if really going to the upside, if it is really going to the upside. All right, so we're gonna give it a little room for maybe Sunday evening session, and after that, if it is going to go up, then we're gonna have a lot more trades coming in USD pairs. Okay, so be ready. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.